Hi, my name is Anna. I'm the Senior Training Manager at memoQ, and today I have the pleasure to present a recent innovation, memoQ AGT. To get started, go to agt.memoq.com. After you have logged in, you will see some basic information about your memoQ AGT usage, the number of translated characters, and the number of characters you can still translate with memoQ AGT. Remember that characters listed here include also the prompt and not only the text to translate. Even if you did not add any characters, the prompt itself contains already around 300 characters. To authorize the Adaptive Generative Translation plugin in memoQ, you will need an API key. You can easily create it by clicking on the Create API Key button. We recommend adding a short description to be able to track which user will be using it. The API key is only displayed once, so make sure you copy it somewhere for future use. If you would like to remove an API key from your list, simply click on the Remove link and confirm your choice. For the moment, memoQ AGT is only available in local projects or local copies of online projects. First, you will need to configure your empty settings by selecting memoQ AGT from the list and entering your API key. Verify the API key, click OK, and close the dialog. If you would like to configure your empty settings in the Resource Console, make sure that My Computer is selected here. Now you are ready to pre-translate with memoQ AGT by using all your resources, translation memories, term bases, and LiveDocs corpora for domain adaptation. The more resources you have, the better memoQ AGT will work. Translation memories are very important for memoQ AGT, so make sure you are using the correct terminology in your translation memories. To pre-translate with memoQ AGT, go to the Preparation ribbon and select Translate with AGT just below Pre-translate. You can also open the document for this, of course. Select the scope first. You can translate the entire project, some of your documents, or only the selected segments. In the second part of the dialog, you can set a minimum match rate for already inserted fuzzy matches that should remain in place. Everything that is below this match rate will be overwritten by the translation proposed by memoQ AGT. Under Domain Adaptation, you can set the minimum match rate of matches being sent to memoQ AGT. Terms in the term base will always be part of the prompt. Set the maximum number of matches being sent to memoQ AGT for each segment, and decide which should be the minimum number of hits to use memoQ AGT for a segment. If you click OK, memoQ will translate your document, your selection, or even your entire project with memoQ AGT. In this term base for the project, I have defined image as the translation of the word photo, although the obvious translation for this word from English into French would be the same, would be photo. As you can see here, AGT has applied my selection and has also taken into account my translation memory, my LiveDocs corpora, and of course the terminology that I have defined here. That's it for today. Enjoy working with memoQ AGT.